It is often said that there is nothing new under the sun. But this is not always true. Occasionally, new and truly unique products are created that can change the course of history. This is the story of something new and different, and something very important. Third-generation solar technology, dye solar cells. A highly effective means of using the energy of the sun that does not involve expensive silicon solar cells. Climate change, driven by our overuse of fossil fuels, demands a fundamental rethink of our energy supply. Society needs increasing supplies of clean energy. And a large part of that clean energy must come from the sun. The sun's power is already being used to generate electricity, but solar energy has been very expensive compared to conventional electricity production. Most importantly, the amount of energy needed to make the commonly used silicon-based solar cells is unsustainable. What is needed is a new generation of solar cells that use less energy to make and that produce electricity in any light. The answer is the dye solar cell, or DSC, a tremendous innovation in solar electricity that emulates photosynthesis. Development and commercialization of DSC is being led by Dysol Limited, a company listed on the Australian Stock Exchange and also traded on the German Third Market. Just as the tree transforms light into energy for growth, so too the dye solar cell transforms light into a flow of electrons. DSC replaces the leaf structure with a porous titanium nanostructure in which the chlorophyll is replaced by a long-life dye. The energy circuit is completed with another common material, iodide, iodine redox couple, and the eventual construct is elegantly simple. And just as nature can transform solar energy to chemical energy even when the sun is not shining brightly, so too can DSC transform low light into electrical energy. DSC from Dysol is a light sponge in which every absorbed photon produces an electron to do work. The dye solar cell is totally different to silicon-based cells. Because the DSC process is kinetic, it performs better in real-life conditions, such as at elevated temperatures and in dappled or low light. DSC doesn't even need to be faced directly towards the sun. Unlike silicon, which needs bright sunlight, DSC starts working at dawn and continues till sunset. Dysol DSC gives more power under real-life conditions. The cells are simple to make, use low-cost manufacturing equipment, and in mass production will be cheaper than other solar cells. And importantly, the manufacturing process is friendly to the environment, just as the products are. The electrode is the abundant titanium dioxide, commonly used in toothpaste, and which is, in effect, a light sponge. The dye is an archival dye with a proven life of over 20 years. The cells use much less energy to manufacture than do other solar cells. The National Renewable Energy Laboratory of the USA, among other international agencies, has declared that the dye solar cell has potential for becoming a cost-effective means for producing electricity. DSC is capable of competing with available solar electric technologies and eventually with today's conventional power technologies. There are markets for applications that DSC alone can address. Applications where there is only dappled light or even indoor light, as well as the traditional roofing applications and on walls. It's a young technology in which industrial tandem cells have already produced over 10% efficiency. Our goal now is to transfer the means to manufacture long-life DSC products to leading companies around the world, an objective that is rapidly being achieved by our global team. Dysol built the world's first prototyping and manufacturing facility for dye solar cells in 2000. Now, nearly 20 years after the DSC effect was first demonstrated, the entire suite of equipment needed to research, design and manufacture DSC products is available from Dysol. Dysol is unique worldwide in offering a holistic solution for research and industry to develop and manufacture DSC. It offers a complete laboratory setup service where we combine existing customer facilities with our purpose-built equipment to deliver the DSC solution required. This expert service includes planning, commissioning, training programs, and the opportunity for ongoing collaborative R&D. Whatever capability is needed for the laboratory, from basic teaching to research and product prototyping, Dysol has a laboratory solution to meet the requirements. There's no doubt the marketplace for solar power is already enormous, with growth of more than 40% each year. As an example of the sort of product that DSC technology can deliver, the Dysol rugged, flexible DSC panel is an ideal product for security forces, park rangers and surveyors, and outdoor leisure markets. The ideal DSC product for city applications is the Dysol Solar Wall Panel, a glass product designed for commercial building facades. DSC provides a wealth of opportunity. It is a breakthrough in solar energy, and dye solar cells will find markets across the world. Dysol is leading the industrialization of DSC, building on the intellectual property its team has been developing for more than a decade. Dysol supplies top-quality DSC materials and equipment and is working with partners and customers around the globe to design and commercialize a wide range of products for DSC energy systems. Dysol, generating the energy of the future with the help of nature.